Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to turn off active status on Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. First thing, just come inside the Facebook Messenger app. To the rightmost bottom we'll be having the menu icon. Click it, and at the top we'll be having the settings option. Select that. In settings we'll be having here active status under profile. Click it. Here it says show when you are active, so you can simply turn it off, and it's giving us pause active status, and you can select a time range if you want to. I'm just going to go with until I change it and select pause, and that's it. The show your active status is off now. If you don't see this option, you can simply scroll down and click on privacy and safety. Here if you scroll down, we'll be having what people see. Under that we are having active status. Here also we will be getting the same option. That's a video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.